What is up, guys? It's your little ice cube dude, and I hope you guys aren't melting today, and I hope you guys are staying cool, staying chill. Today we will be playing Murder Mystery with my cousin Wei. Yep, we're in a video call right now, so you could hear her. She's not actually at my house, so me and Wei will be teaming, cause why not? Okay, and what did you get? I got innocent. Yeah, me too. Okay. All right. Oh, I found you. I found you. I see you. All right, guys. So we're gonna try not to die because yeah. So, oh crap, there are people here and it's scary. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh, someone just got killed. Oh, I'm dead. It was the green guy with the green hat. He's just messed up. Really? Seriously? Burp. Alright, sorry about that, guys. That was just stupid. No, she doesn't. Okay, whatever. I know. Okay, guys. So I'm innocent again. So yeah. Oh crap! Oh crap! I'm so dead. I'm no. God. Okay, so I'm innocent again, and Popcorn Head. Yeah. This idiot keeps following me. Popcorn Head murder. No. Where were you? Wait, Popcorn Head? Yeah. Like an actual Popcorn Head. Oh. Okay. Oh, he's inside. I'm outside. There used to be a way to glitch in, but then like there's freaking R15 now, so you have animation and you can't glitch in there anymore. Oh, you don't know because you don't know the glitch. Okay, alright guys, I totally forgot I was recording, but whatever. Does he not know how to like, wait, who's sheriff? Oh. Oh, okay. Where? He's in the red? Well, too bad. I'm a savage. I'm coming in, idiots. Wait, where is it? The red place? Over here? Yeah. Is this? Oh, it's a girl. Oh, okay. No, it's not. Oh crap. Oh crap. Wait, what? I didn't even shoot him. Reset? He probably reset. I don't know. But what? Did he just reset? Oh, wait, what? I shot him? But I... What? Wait, he has the floss? Oh, you can have your own emotes. I wonder. Okay. I don't care where I go. Oh, wait, let me go to wayside. Come on to the wayside. Come on to the wayside. What the fuck am I saying? Okay. Alright, guys. So, for some reason, supposedly killed him, and I'm the sheriff. I'm the sheriff, and I'm scared. Oh, someone just got killed. Red boombox? Where is he? So I got... No! I shot him! Oh! Alright guys, I'm triggered, and that guy was just too shit, okay? It was too shit for me. Wait. Server status. Ugh. I can't go in. Yeah, I know, but it won't let me because I have animation. Yeah. There's certain places that you can glitch in. Guys, my friend doesn't want you guys to see her, and she's right there. Yeah, look at her face. Look at this dude. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his face. No, 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 no. Look, I can look at you right now. Look at the top of her head. No, no, no. Look at them lips. Okay. Enough joking around. So, we're gonna go find her, okay? And where is she? We shall expose her noobiness. Okay. So. Oh, the murder killed people. Especially her. The friendly local. That guy. Who killed you? With what hair? Lava? Lavender? Oh, okay. Got that, miss. Oh, is it that noob blonde girl? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where's she? Where is the main area? Oh. So, you're telling me she's in here? Oh, Christ. No. She's a noob. Don't worry about it. Oh my god, Simugu. Welcome to my channel. And then you. Hobalaka Wakala. I mean, hola. Wait, no. Hola, bola casa. Hello, mister. Nice knowing you. Put some more clothes on, please. I will really appreciate it. You, ew, lipstick. And you look awesome. Oh crap, that's Sonic, isn't it? This guy used to be my favorite character. And you money man. Okay, and then you hacker looking man. Also, my friend left, didn't she? Oh yeah, she left. Damn it, we couldn't make fun of her. But hold up. But this will be at the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Smash that like button if you did. And also, if you guys are nice enough, if you guys are cool enough, smash that like button for me. I'll really appreciate it. And also, stay cool, stay chill. Have a great day. Yeah.